was bad and ruthless. Back when I 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 was bad and ruthless. Back. Scoop the homie Josh and my sister Alyssa. Stop her Elena, forget the cops are more clear at the liquor spot as we drove to a locale that's remote. To be clear from cops, we suppose the road sodas we stowed in the trunk were stocked. Bereaved to see they're not, so proceeded to scheme and plot on how do we lead from nothing to buzzing like ample watts. Had to fake from a local guy who was loco and known by lots, so the photo exposed the plot before it started to post his mind. Rolled around, they got to be later than 12 o'clock, so I pulled in a parking lot of the neighborhood Ilson 5 that was short for Wilson Farms, cause at hours the sign had lost the electric to all those letters were never repaired or swapped. Shop was closed and locked and the workers had left the lot. My car had rolled into a stop and I'm staring at Josh like watch out, we knows that look in my eyes. Shit is off and about to pop like the trunk where I kept the bat and a pump. I'm about to get one, back when I was bad and ruthless. Just playing it never was, I used to be so fucking foolish, cause I was hurting plus I never knew that I could do this. Not the music though, I hope you're rocking to it. Talking about the thoughts I've conjured through communication, aimed at my frustration, paved the way to start replacing hatred-based associations that I made when I was fake. And take the blame, it's all the same. Ain't no shame in changing ways. Nostalgia save for rainy day, cause shit don't matter anyway. Exit out the driver's side, tie my shirt around my eyes to hide visage in case the cameras that case the place rolling tape inside. Properly encasing, evading some scrapes to face. And while I face the place, I gave the nod that Josh don't need to say. I slide the bed about the back where I've had it just in case the vibe switch from light to dark like I've hit the switch.